A lot of syndicators, when they have investors, they're forced to sell. Unless they're putting money on the front end, they make money on the back end. Jake and I, we like to syndicate. We've syndicated a couple of deals. I like to buy these assets for the longer term. If I'm looking at an asset and I'm saying to myself, I don't really want to own this asset in the next 10 years, then I'll pass on that asset, because I'm thinking to myself, I want to buy an asset in a good market where there's a path of progress, where there's population growth and job growth. And I want to buy an asset that if it's old and I need to really fix it up and put a ton of CapEx into it, I can do that. At these prices over the last couple of years, you were forced to buy newer assets because the capital expenditure requirements were so great on the older assets. So for us, it's just shifted in from buying these assets for a shorter term and holding them for the longer term. And I think what syndicators should really consider doing is, there's nothing wrong with buying assets and selling, because there's sometimes you get into a market or things change, or all of a sudden you have this 10 unit and you're like, I don't want to be with these small deals anymore. Let me repurpose that money and put it into another deal.